Kharphu, celebrated in several communities of Monggar, is a 3-day ritual held to appease local deities for the well-being of people, livestock and crops. In Dagsa, men and women believed to be descendants of the local deity, dressed in vibrant traditional attire, marched from the host's house to the temple. They chant sacred prayers and carry offerings of milk, butter and cheese. Rooted in oral tradition, the festival now faces the risk of fading away. 68-year-old master chanter 𝗨 Tenzin says the lack of apprentice threatens its survival as younger generations show little interest in learning the rituals.
When
we learned this culture from our elders, we simply followed what they did. We never asked about the meaning of Kharphu, and they never explained its significance. Now they are gone, and we have taken on their roles with only limited knowledge. I fear our ancestors' tradition may fade away. I am already 68, and no one has come forward to learn what little I know.
We need 8 men to perform the rituals, while women are easily mobilized from the village. The men must train for 3 days before the festival, but there is no wage during that time, which may be why many don't participate. Many young men say they don't know the rituals and prefer the elders to continue performing them.
Long ago, Kharphu was held every month. Due to changing circumstances, it became an annual event and later a biennial one as challenges grew. The main issues are empty households causing manpower shortages and a lack of interest among youth in traditional cultural activities.
Meanwhile, the Gewog office is exploring ways to work more closely with the community to promote and preserve the age-old tradition.
For now, although the Gewog office is not directly involved in organizing such events, 𝗫𝗄𝗄𝗏 actively take part in it. We are telling the people that the 𝗫𝗄𝗄𝗏s, with support from the Gewog office, must take responsibility for organizing such traditions. It is a high time now.
Despite the challenges, villagers say abandoning the festival is not an option.
We cannot leave it because it is one of our cultures our ancestors practiced, and it is believed there will be consequences if we stop celebrating it. We will do whatever we can to continue organizing Kharphu. Earlier, our community struggled and depended mainly on maize. Now, with road connectivity and improved economic conditions, we are doing much better. Still, the main challenge today is manpower and the lack of interest from the youth.
For now, Kharphu survives on the dedication of a few remaining elders and the belief that abandoning it would invite misfortune. But belief alone may not be enough. Unless younger hands step in, one of the Monggar's oldest traditions could soon be reduced to memory. For 𝗵𝗀𝗀𝗀 in Monggar, 𝗫𝗵𝗶𝗵𝗿 BBS News.